Hi everyone. Today we are going to see a remove method through which we can remove a specified item in a list. So we have already, opened Python in our terminal. Let's declare a list. And let's print the list. So right now we have 5 elements in the list. So let's remove the element 4, which is on third number. So what we have to do is we have to give the value of the list of the element of the list. So this dot remove, and we are going to give the input as 4. So now it is the 4 has been removed. We'll now print the new list. As we can see that the 4 has been removed from the list. So this is the inbuilt method which removes the specified item with the value. Now, what if we have a scenario where we have duplicate items in the list? For example, we have 2, 8, because in list we can have duplicate items. So we are going to declare this list again. We are going to print this list. Now we have 2 8s, and we'll give input as 8 as the value, and we'll print the list. So in such scenarios, what happens? The first element, the one item that is the first occurrence of the element, it gets removed, and the next elements they remain in the list. So that's how the remove method works. Let me know how do you like the explanation. Feel free to drop any suggestions, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.